Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off disappearing messages on WhatsApp. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead to my App Store, Google Play, and I'm going to double check if my WhatsApp needs to be updated. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to my screen, go ahead to my browser, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead into opening the chat, and then tap the contact's name, and then tap disappearing messages, tap off, and then tap done. So I'm going to go back to my screen, go ahead to my WhatsApp, and let's say for example I want to go ahead to this chat, right? I'm gonna click their name at the top, right? And what I'm gonna see disappearing messages. Go ahead and click on it and basically turn it off, and that means that your messages will not disappear after 24 hours or 7 days or even 90 days. However, no matter how long you set it on, okay? So basically just turn it off and your messages will not disappear. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.